What a wonderful man he is truly this. Now we're going to bring our keikis out for you. The keikis are bringing you to the big island of Hawaii. They're representing Pele today. We're doing a number entitled Aiyala o Pele. But first we're going to start off with a wonderful oli. We're doing a partial point of the oli. And we are going to do Kuha'aheo, which was written by Kumuhula Inalemoana Wa. Spread out keikis. Now as you can see, these keikis are the ages of 5 to 12, so who's in front of you? Scoot over, baby. Scoot over. I want, you guys work so hard, I want your parents to get a good picture of you. Yeah? You guys work plenty hard. Ha'aheo!
I know.